Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C and niacinamide serum together. To begin, always apply your vitamin C serum first onto clean, dry skin. This allows the vitamin C, which is often more acidic, to fully absorb and work effectively. After applying, wait about 10 to 15 minutes. This brief pause helps prevent any potential irritation and ensures each ingredient can perform its best before the next layer. When layering, a good rule of thumb is to apply products from thinnest to thickest consistency. Typically, vitamin C serums are lighter, making them the first step. If your niacinamide is in a thicker formulation, it should follow. You can also choose to use vitamin C in your morning routine for antioxidant protection, and niacinamide in the evening to help calm and strengthen your skin barrier. Both approaches are effective. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more skincare tips. Quick recommendation: just as you're upgrading your skincare routine, why not upgrade your home cleaning too? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life a little easier. You can find the link for this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Using vitamin C and niacinamide together offers powerful benefits. This dynamic duo can significantly brighten your complexion, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and even out skin tone. They also work synergistically to improve overall skin texture and firmness by boosting collagen production. Modern skincare science confirms that these ingredients are highly compatible and can be used together safely and effectively, debunking older myths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.